welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys a video of how to remove the Canopy fabric and how to reattach it. The other day I took the fabric off and I had to reinstall it and I was struggling to put it back on. I looked for videos online of how to reattach it because I forgot, it's been a while, and I felt like my video that I showed you guys wasn't thorough enough, so that's why I wanted to do this video again. And I also can't believe that I couldn't find anything online. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So this one is only for the UPPA Baby VISTA stroller. The cruise is a different story. I don't have a cruise stroller, so I can't show you guys that one, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys for the UPPA Baby VISTA. And I hope that this video is gonna help you guys because I struggled. And guys, make sure to watch this video all the way till the end because you don't want to miss out on any important information. So before we head on with this video, if you're new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how to take this off. This piece right here, you want to pop it with a screwdriver. So if you press it and then pull it at the same time, it should come out. This one usually pops out by itself, and then for this one we're gonna repeat the same thing. Press here and take it off, and then we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So take this out right here and pull at the same time. Over here, same. So once that's done, you can go ahead and remove all of these pieces, and then you can go wash this. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to put these back and how to put these back too. So this is the tricky part. So this piece right here, the round part, is gonna be the front of your canopy. The front is here, so we're gonna put it right here. Next, you have two different sizes of these two. So you're gonna put the biggest piece in the back and the smaller piece goes in the middle. So I'm gonna put the middle piece in the middle, and now I'm gonna put the biggest piece in the very back. Now here's the tricky part. Okay guys, so to install these back, what I like to do is flip this so the front is gonna go like this. So this is the back now. You wanna make sure all your metal pieces are out, so I'm taking them out right now. So now we have our canopy upside down. So this is the back right here. We're gonna take this piece. This piece has to be the back. So it has to be like this. The back metal is gonna go over here, so like this. The middle piece is gonna go over here. We have one more left, which is this one, is where you're gonna put the front metal. So the round one is gonna go on the outside piece like this. Now we're gonna do the other side. So you wanna make sure they're all out so that you can do this properly. So again, this piece has to be like this. So this piece is out like that. So the back piece is gonna go over here on the side. The middle metal piece is gonna go on this part, this one. And then the front, the round metal, the front piece is gonna go on this one. So now you have your canopy installed back. So one thing I wanted to tell you guys is if you want to wash this piece, just take one off, which is easier, and then take the whole fabric off so you can wash it, and then just reinstall this piece back instead of doing both, because I found that taking only one side off is just easier to reinstall it because you have the other side already, and you can just remember how to put this piece back. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put it on the stroller. So you want to take the back piece and in the back of your stroller, and then here you just want to click it, and then same on this side, and there you go. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye!